Aishwarya, I want to ask you, beta, let us know which school you joined in DPS, which year you joined here, and second, what were your experiences year by year? What were your learnings? What was the support given to you by our faculty, our school management, and wherever you have felt that there were flaws in you, how did you overcome with them, whether they were academically background or they were activity based, and what was your parent support in that?
For sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this opportunity. Joined DPS in class 8th, and I have been studying here since grade 8, and it's been 5 years. So the journey has been incredible. The journey has been full of exposure and support. I switched schools, and I was not a very confident student who goes to the stage by herself and uh, say things like, now I'm a podcaster. I have done 7 internships, even in IIT Kharagpur as a research fellowship, and now the journey was so great that now I'm so confident that I can stand up to anyone out there and I can speak my heart out. I'm a very good public speaker. So the school supported me a lot. Like, it helped me bring out my best version of myself. It helped me in every way possible. It may be academics, extracurricular, it may be moral support. The teachers were every time ready for me to help, even if it's night or in the morning. Our Honorable Chairman Sir, Mr. Sujit Singh Grover, and our Principal Sir, Mr. Chetan Chauhan, was very supporting throughout this journey. They helped us in experiencing a lot of things. Like, they made us go to Mauritius, which was like a international exposure that I couldn't have done it on my own. So I think DPS has made me a very good version of myself. It has made me stand out in every way possible. So I really thank the management and the school, and especially our Honorable Chairman Sir, Mr. Sujit Singh Grover, for this support and cooperation. And I see myself with shining colors in the future and always staying connected to DPS. I would say that in board examinations, DPS, especially my teachers, my mentors, everyone out there, I was in commerce stream, and they supported me a lot with academics, and they paid very good attention on us. There was one-to-one connection, and even if now I'm planning to go to SP Gen's Global Management Program, which is a 4-year management program. The first year I would be joining Mumbai. I was having the option to join Singapore as well, but I chose Mumbai. And the second year I will be joining Dubai, and in the third and fourth year I will be going towards London. So this is my BBA, Bachelor's in Business Administration, and I have chosen marketing as a global management. So I think these 4 years in 3 incredible cities would be amazing, and this couldn't been happen without the support of you all, and especially the management. And to all the students coming out there, I would say that yes, academics is very important for you to build yourself, to be confident enough to put yourself in any position, and to introduce yourself. But you are, known by what you do. What extracurriculars are you doing? In what areas are you involved? And people who say that you cannot do some things at this age, I would say age is just a number, a damn mathematical number. So prove yourself, because every one of us has this light in us that we can go out and do whatever we want. So maybe it's art, maybe you like writing, so you can pursue blogging, or if you like making videos, then you can be a good influencer, because I think that's a very good field right now. And you can go towards marketing if you like public speaking. You can be a motivational speaker. There are many fields except this engineers and doctors. So try to pursue everything possible. Take a diverse look and build yourself, build your personality enough so that you can stand out in the public and you can say, oh yes, I am a 17-year-old, I'm 18-year-old high school girl, and I'm a podcaster currently, and I've been hosting this show just like me. So I say that personality is very important for your build-up, and obviously never lose connection with your teachers, never lose connection with the mentors, because on the place I'm standing right now today, it's only been possible with the help of management, with the help of my teachers, with the help of our chairman sir, our principal sir. So never lose contact with them, because they are the ones who have seen the world. They will guide you in the best way possible. So it's like when I came to DPS, मेरे को लगा कि मतलब जब मैं join कर रही थी, I was so confused क्योंकि it's about switching schools, leaving your friends behind, and I know you all can relate कि it's a very difficult decision to make. So I was a little bit in dilemma whether I should join or not. Also my parents were a lot concerned about me. But when I joined and I was getting these opportunities, in DPS I never had this thing of partiality. Every student is treated equally. Every student gets equal opportunity. Even मतलब मैं कितने कॉम्पिटिशन्स में ऐसा हुआ कि मेरे को चांस मिल गई तो माई टीचर यूज्ड टू से नो ऐश्वर्या, अब आपको चांस मिल गई है, लेट अदर पर्सन कम फॉरवर्ड. सो वी इन DPS इट्स लाइक अ फैमिली. इट्स लाइक कि आप सब ग्रो करेंगे साथ में. सो या ज्वाइनिंग DPS एंड मी बीइंग दिस कॉन्फिडेंट टॉकिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड आंसरिंग दीज क्वेश्चंस, yes, surely makes me a confident person. And thank you so much again for giving me these golden opportunities.
It's an honor for your teachers also.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
सर, आपको कैसा लग रहा है बेटी की तरक्की देखकर, और आपने जो डिसीजन लिया कुछ साल पहले कि ऐश्वर्या को DPS स्कूल में स्विच कराया जाए, और आज आप बिटिया को देखते हैं कि आपकी बेटी हैज़ कम आउट विद फ्लाइंग कलर्स, व्हाट डू यू फील, हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट? मैम, आप भी बताइए.
मैम, आई एम फीलिंग टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इस समय आई विल बी द वर्ल्ड मोस्ट बेस्ट फादर और वर्ल्ड ग्रेटफुल फादर. और मैं इतना खुश हूँ आज. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू मिस्टर सुजीत सिंह ग्रोवर, प्रिंसिपल सर, मैनेजमेंट, स्टाफ एंड you all that supported and bring to such level, and I am proud of her and I am very much proud of her that she is standing right now at this stage, and hope and God bless her for her future.
मैम, बहुत प्राउड फील कर रही हूँ कि मतलब अभी इनका इंटरव्यू हो रहा था तो यही लग रहा था कि ये मेरी बेटी है. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा, और भी से पहले DPS से पहले जिस स्कूल में थी तो वहाँ बहुत पार्शियलिटी होती थी, कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत लूज़ हो गया था. तो अभी ऐश्वर्या ने जैसे बोला कि DPS में कभी भी पार्शियलिटी नहीं हुई, ये मुझे बहुत अच्छी चीज़ लगती है. जनरली स्कूल्स में क्या होता है कि पार्शियलिटी बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा फेस करते हैं, बट यहाँ पर आप हर चिल्ड्रन को जो है एक चांस देते हैं कि वो आगे आएँ, वो जो है अपने आप को इन्हांस करें. आप उस चीज़ के लिए सबको एक चांस देते हैं. उसके लिए मैं सर को थैंक यू बोलूँगी और पूरे मैनेजमेंट को मैं थैंक यू बोलती हूँ. और मेरा डिसीज़न, हम सबका इनफैक्ट डिसीज़न बहुत अच्छा रहा कि हमने DPS में अपने जो है बच्चों को यहाँ एडमिशन किया. और मैं पेरेंट्स को भी यही बोलूँगी कि आप भी DPS में अपने जो है बच्चों का एडमिशन कराएं, क्योंकि यहाँ पर वो सब कुछ मिलता है जो आप एक अपने बच्चों के लिए एक ड्रीम देखते हैं कि हमारा बच्चा जो है वो हर फील्ड में, इनफैक्ट ना कि एकेडमी में, और हर फील्ड में वो कुछ करे. तो उसके लिए DPS से बेस्ट तो कुछ नहीं है. थैंक यू सो मच.